go to bed early. We have a flight for our Christmas trip tomorrow.
I'm so excited.
Remember to pack your suitcase to make sure we don't forget anything.
All right, let's go check the suitcase again.
Yay!
Hurry up, kids, or we'll miss the flight.
Okay, please come in.
Well, thanks.
And it's mine.
What? Hey! Hey, young man, your water bottle exceeds the size limit. Hey!
All right, Bluey, leave the water bottle behind.
Oh!
I want to look at the sky, high and wide, full of white clouds like cotton candy. I also want to sit by the window.
Stop it now! All right, kids, your seats are assigned on the ticket.
The plane is about to take off. Passengers are requested to fasten their seatbelts.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Oh, yes.
Wow! That's amazing. What is that smell?
Here's your meal. Here you are.
Oh, wow!
What would you like to drink?
I like some grape juice, please. And I'd like some orange juice, please.
Okay.
Give me that bottle. No! We're sorry. Ouch!
The plane is entering a turbulent zone. Please remain calm, stay seated, and keep your seatbelt fastened.
Oh, no!
Hey! Please return to your seat. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Hey!
We're sorry for causing any trouble.
You are welcome. See you later.
Huh? Oh! Owie! Hey! Huh? You are so messy! I will tell Mom!
What's happened?
Bluey made a mess in the house and scolded me. What? I don't make a mess. Bingo did it!
Huh? I don't believe you, Bluey. Bluey, you pick up toys in the box and go throw away the trash.
Yes, Mom! Na 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 na. Huh? Oh. Huh? Hey, that is my exam. Give it back.
Wow!
It looks so good.
Mommy, Daddy, look.
Huh?
I have A+.
Oh, wow.
Nice son.
Hey! Huh? This is my test.
What? No way!
You must not lie like that.
Lying is very bad.
What? Parents don't believe me. Oh my gosh! Bluey, wait! Huh? What? Oh my gosh!
What are you guys doing?
Your computer. Oh! It's not me! Bluey did it, not me!
Bluey, face the wall.
What? I didn't do it! Mom and Dad just love bingo, not love me! Oh no! Don't cry, don't cry! I have a toy for you! Yay! Oh, he's here with you!
Give me that.
What? Give it back for me! Give it to me! Don't bully my brother!
Oh,
Here, your candy! Oh, thank you, my brother! Mom! Dad!
huh? Oh.
What's wrong?
I'm sorry, Mom and Dad. I made a mess at home. I changed Bluey's test and broke Dad's computer.
What?
Oh.
I'm sorry for lying.
Oh. Don't cry. We will go apologize to Bluey, okay?
Hey, Bluey! What? I'm sorry for blaming you.
We are sorry for not believing you.
Bluey, please forgive me. I forgive for you. Okay, let's eat cake together.
Hey. Ew!
Sweetie trash needs to go in the trash can.
But, Mom!
No buts. Clean up right now before I gets back.
I have an idea. I'm really smart. Hey! Oh, Bluey! I have a new toy. Great! Let's play together. Great! Ew! That's disgusting, Bluey. Mommy, I'm not feeling well. I think I'm sick. Mommy, what happened to you?
I'm sick too.
Finally, I'm home. Honey, I'm home.
What is happening?
Oh, gross!
Honey, why does our house smell strange?
Huh?
The cause is from this pile of trash right here.
Oh.
Sorry, Daddy. It's all my fault.
To eliminate all the bacteria, we...
Get out of my face!
Everyone at home needs to maintain cleanliness.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
It's okay, as long as our family is healthy.
Yeah.